Welcome to AdsQuests, your friendly neighborhood instant campaign analysis web app. Think of us as your trusty sidekick for turning scattered campaign data into clear, actionable insights. We make sure your campaigns stay on track without the spreadsheets-induced headaches. AdsQuests. Simplify, analyze, make smarter optimization decisions. So, you're downloading data from multiple ad platforms daily, weekly, bi-weekly, or whenever you feel like punishing yourself with a flood of CSVs. Compiling all that data is a struggle, but AdsQuests, we've got you covered with instant analysis that actually makes sense. But there's a tiny catch. You need to put in just a bit of effort to get your CSV data ready for AdsQuests. Nothing too wild, just a little data cleanup magic. Let us guide you. Let's say you've downloaded your campaign data from Facebook and Amazon ads. At the top, you'd have Facebook data. Below, Amazon ads data. Both are clubbed together, but you can also prepare them separately if you prefer. So what effort is needed to make your data dashboard ready? Let's break it down. Step 1, adding essential columns. Reporting date. This is the date you want AdsQuest to record your campaign data. Make sure you're downloading cumulative reports from your ad platforms, whether it's daily, weekly, or bi-weekly. It all depends on how often you want to track and compare performance. Notes. Keep track of your campaign changes or plans, whether it's swapping creatives, extending campaign dates, increasing budget, or adjusting CPC. This is your space for notes. Step 2. Setting up accounts and categories. Accounts. Think of these as your organizing folders. Assign account names to each campaign manually or map them if you already have account/vendor names in your CSV file. Just make sure they're consistent across all platforms for the same campaign ID. Categories. This is your way of grouping campaigns within an account, called in anything: teas, shoes, best-selling, new launches. You can even use categories to group similar campaigns across different accounts. Just remember the mapping for future uploads. Step 3. Specifying ad platform names. Simple stuff. Just add the ad platform name next to each campaign ID. Step 4. Assigning ROAS goals. Want to track performance over time? Set a ROAS goal for each campaign. And that's it. Your data is ready for AdsQuests. Remember, for your next upload, keep the same account name for consistency. Reporting date, categories, and ROAS goals can be adjusted over time based on your needs. Now, you're all set to turn those spreadsheets into powerful, actionable insights with AdsQuests. Uploading your data to AdsQuests, click on the Import button and select your CSV file. Map your data. During the mapping process, select the reporting date as optimization date. AdsQuests will automatically map many of the fields for you. Verify mapping. Always double-check that all fields are accurately mapped before clicking Continue. This ensures your data is properly structured and ready for analysis in AdsQuests. And that's it. Your campaign analysis dashboard is now instantly ready, whether you want insights at the account level, individual accounts, or even down to specific campaigns. Uploading follow-up data. A week has passed and it's time to upload new data. Download cumulative reports. Ensure you're downloading cumulative reports from your ad platforms, whether it's daily, weekly, or bi-weekly. Follow the same process. Update the reporting date and notes. Maintain consistent accounts and categories. Specify ad platform names and update ROAS goals if needed. Error detection. If you accidentally assign the wrong account name to a campaign ID, AdsQuests will alert you to fix it. Staying consistent ensures seamless analysis and accurate insights. Updating follow-up data on AdsQuests. Import your file. Click on Import and map the reporting date as optimization date. Verify your mapping. Always double-check that all fields are accurately mapped before clicking Continue. Processing. Wait for the data to be processed. Access your dashboard. Your campaign analysis dashboard is now instantly updated. Utilize the Insights feature available at both the individual account level and campaign ID level. Pro tip: the more follow-up data you upload, the richer your analysis and insights become. Need help? Reach out to us at our support email or fill out a feedback form directly from the web app.